Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to trade, how to draw buyers and sellers area on OTC markets. You can also trade like this on V markets. Okay, there's no difference. So this is GBP USD and this is OTC market. So I'm going to draw buyers area and sellers area. Then I trade on here. Okay, this is buyers area. Okay, this is buyers area, and this one also, this is buyers area. This candle crossed the buyers area, but I'm seeing a rejection bounce, so buyers will enter on the next candle. Okay, this will be late entry. I place call option here because you can see this level I have drawn here is buyers area, because buyers entered on this level, again still on the same level, and here I can see the buyers again entry, but this candle crossed the level, the Marbozu candle, it crossed the area and it stopped at this rejection bands, this rejection area. So that means the buyers will enter on the next candle. This rejection area also a buyers area, so buyers will enter on the next candle. That's why I place call option. Okay, a strong sellers movement. So in this kind of situation, no need to draw buyers and sellers area because I'm seeing a strong sellers movement. So no need to go against the momentum. Even though there's a level, no need to go against the momentum. So I place my trade in the direction of this bearish movement. Okay. Even though there's a level, if they will not respect the level, so the sellers are coming up. You can see here. So in this kind of situation, don't think of going against the momentum by drawing levels. You can see here sellers entry, sellers entry, sellers entry. You can see the size of the candle are coming up, so it's a sign that the sellers are entering the market. In this kind of situation, don't go against the momentum. Okay, don't go against the momentum. Okay, this is also uptrend. This is a retracement candle. So I have seen a retracement candle and there are some sellers at this area. There are some sellers at this level. Okay, market reverse on this level. This one also is sellers area. So let me check the candle. Okay, you can see this, it was rejected on that level, but the market is like consolidating. I'm going to take a weak bias. I'm going to place call option. Okay, late entry. I placed call option here because of this bullish movement, and it was rejected on this level, still far from the level, still far from the sellers area I have drawn. So, and this is a continuation sign. That means the buyers again will enter on the next candle. That's why I place call option. Okay, I see the buyers enter very strongly. You can see the trend is uptrend and so many rejections here. So it means that the buyers are rejecting the sellers on this level. Let me check if I can see the buyers there. I think this area, this level, the buyers are there waiting there very strongly. have again the buyer's area. So I'm going to place call option with safe entry. I'm going to place call option. Okay, I place call option here because of these rejections on this level. So this is buyer's area that I have drawn. You can see that this candle tried to go down, the seller tried to go down, but rejected from buyers so many times on this level. So it's a sign that the buyers are very strong. Now this candle also closed at that level with rejection, and the trend is uptrend. So buyers again will enter on the next candle. That's why I place call option. Okay, you need to be patient and place your trade. Okay, that was my lock, so I placed my trade on time. Okay, so many rejection. This is seller's area. This is seller's area. You can see the seller's area. You can see. I think there's no other level again. This is also a level. The seller's area. Okay, so that is seller's area, but the buyers are still strong. Okay, and again the trend line, also is showing us some. I'm going to place put option. Okay, entry. Okay, I think it's safe. I placed put option because of this rejection from this trend line, and it didn't cross the seller's area that I have drawn. So the sellers have the most possibility to enter the market. Okay, so that's why I placed put option. I placed call option here because of this buyer's area, this level, and Marbozu candle cross the level, so buyers will enter. That's why I placed call option there. I placed put option here because of this bearish momentum. It's not good to go against the momentum, so that's why I placed put option here. And I placed call option here because of this continuation sign of this bullish movement, and the seller's area is above, still far from the seller's area. That's why I placed call option in the direction of the trend. Okay, and I placed call option here, but my entry is safe. I won this trade. This is my lock. I placed call option here because of this level. You know, this is OTC market. I'm expecting a bullish candle here, not bearish. This is OTC market. Okay, so you can see so many things there. So I placed call option here because of this level, the buyer's area, and I can see the rejections, so many rejections this level. This tells us that the buyers are very strong. Then I saw this candle close at that level, at that area that I've drawn, so buyers will enter. I don't know why it closed as bearish candle. And again, you can see that after this bearish candle, buyers enter very strong. So this is strong buyer's area, and the trend is uptrend. But because of my entry, I won the trade. And here I placed put option here because this is seller's area. The trend line also is telling us the seller's area, so it's a sign that the sellers will enter on the next candle. This is seller's area. You can see the sellers entered here, sellers again entered here. The trend also is downtrend, and again the buyers close at the level with rejection. So buyers has the sellers has the more possibility to form a bearish candle. So that's why I place put option. Okay, so I have taken 5 compounding trading on OTC market with candlestick psychology. Okay, this is how you can place your trade even on real market. There's no difference here. So just look for buyers and sellers area and draw your level. Make sure you draw it well, then place your trade and wait for the candle to close at that level. If you are confident enough, if you broke the level, if you are confident enough, you can place your trade. But you should wait for it to close at the level with rejection, then place your trade. You can also trade like this. Okay, so if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.